Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin and how Shibadoge have really gained a lot of support from other crypto communities, crypto exchanges, wells. Now, Shibadoge market cap at the time of recording this is currently trading at $33,672,453. Wow, it's an amazing to see Shibadoge really pumping this. It's amazing to see Shibadoge gaining a lot of big wells, a lot of communities investing so much, because just last week we saw Shibadoge market cap being traded at $8 and $7 million, and today we are talking about almost $34 million. It's amazing to see the price of Shibadoge market cap really pumped recently, and I believe that a lot of people have started believing on Shibadoge. So I'm so much buy, and I believe the holding of Shibadoge coin will continue, because a lot of people want to hold this coin to see if Shibadoge will be deleting between 1, 2, or 3 zeros. But the truth is, so many people actually lost a lot on the different coins last year. Last year was actually a bearish year, and also when you take a look at Shiba Inu history, a lot of people believe Shibadoge will become the new Shiba Inu, and they don't want to miss out on Shibadoge. If you missed out on Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or Floki Inu, I think you don't need to miss out on Shibadoge. Now, buying Shibadoge coin is amazing, but remember to buy what you can afford to lose. That is our golden rule. Now, Shibadoge price is going to increase, but it all depends mostly on the developers and also on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has been increasing. Bitcoin is almost approaching $21,000. It's amazing to see this coin finally break that $20,000 mark, all the way from $15,000 and $16,000. Bitcoin has been trading between this price range for the past 6 months, and finally it's now approaching about $22,000. And I believe, of course, other coins will keep increasing. Shibadoge will also start increasing. I'm happy to see Shibadoge price really increasing this much. I'm so much surprised to see Shibadoge market cap hitting almost $34 million. The last time Shibadoge market cap really hit high was about few months ago, when Ethereum Wells actually purchased Shibadoge, and the market cap of Shibadoge was actually trading at $16 million. But right now, Shibadoge market cap is now approaching $34 million. So many people have been buying Shibadoge coin, and hope to see this continue. I hope to see Shibadoge delete more zeros in the nearest future. I hope to see other top crypto exchanges listening and partnering with Shibadoge, and I believe Shibadoge definitely is going to become one of the biggest coins soon. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.